What's up, everybody? You're in my kitchen. Can you believe that? We got mugs. We've got dogs. See, there's Luna. There's Shades. Sharon, of course. Yeah, you got her. Of course, is not on camera. But gonna give you a little knock to fork from Dud's Kitchen tonight. So we've got some, well, I'd call them good friends, but it's Caleb, so obviously he's sketchy. But we're gonna do New York strips, asparagus, Brussels sprouts. We're gonna give you a look at what I do. It's crazy hard, I'm not gonna lie. Prime rib rub, look at this. Sound effects are free, just so you know. Right here. Blackened Saskatchewan. This gives you that peppery, dark essence of flavor that you have been longing for your whole life. So you have to do this, pat it down on both sides. The veggies we're gonna prep after a little while. We're gonna put these on the Traeger at 375. We're gonna season both sides, but we're gonna put this on the Traeger. It's out there set at 375. And then we're gonna come in and we're gonna partake in this right here. Charcuterie board. We normally have better stuff, but this is all we have for now. So that's what we're gonna do. And then after we pull these steaks off at just the right time, we're gonna go ahead and dive into the veggies. And I'm gonna show you all how it's done from right here in Dud's Kitchen. Come on out to my grill. Right here, it's ironwood. It's my personal, that's been on there from last night when I cooked chicken. It's part of the problem. I literally only cook outside. So right now in Iowa, it's a comfortable minus 700 degrees. But I'm just gonna slap these guys. Okay, I'm gonna put those on there just like that. I'm gonna take this probe and stick it halfway in there. And what's awesome is, while this is going, I'm gonna be able to monitor this from my probe. So for approximately the next 20 minutes, we're gonna partake in wine and charcuterie. And then we're gonna prep the veggies in the meantime. And we're also gonna tell funny jokes and laugh with our friends. Let's do it. Steaks are rolling. So we're in the phase of charcuterie, wine, playing with our pets. Hey, boo boo. They're actually family. They're family for sure. And chilling while we're grilling. That's the name of the game. So we're gonna do Brussels sprouts, cutting the ends off, cutting them in half. Pretty easy. Cut the end off, cut it in half. That's all you gotta do. Move your little ends over to the side of this board. This is a sweet board. A couple buddies made for me. Freaking love it. But that's what we're gonna do. We got about 20 minutes total before those strips are gonna kind of be ready. I'm gonna pull them at 138 degrees internal, and then I'm gonna wrap them, and I'm actually gonna stage them in a Yeti while I go ahead and start these Brussels and do the asparagus. A lot of people struggle with making good food, but the reality is, ever since I got a Traeger and read the first recipe probably 3 years ago, we rarely cook inside anymore. You know, we'll probably pan cook these Brussels just because of time. And show you the easiest tip. So these Brussels are done. We're actually gonna just put them in a big bowl. We're gonna toss them in olive oil. lay them face down in a pan. But for asparagus, it's the easiest thing in the world to prep. All you have to do on asparagus is grab one, and when you bend it, where it snaps naturally like that, that's where it's still crisp. So you can just bend them till they snap. And that's where you know that you don't have the dried out end anymore. And then you're good to go. With these, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna put them in this bowl, toss them around in olive oil, and we're gonna grill those for that last 20 minutes while the steaks are staging up and resting in that Yeti. So we'll show you. I normally do them in half. Boom. Bam. So that's enough for us right there. And just like that, there's our waste, there's our good stuff. All we need now is olive oil and prime rib rub, and we're good to go. Okay, I've got this on like a medium high, put a little bit of olive oil in there. The Brussels sprouts are tossed in olive oil. I'm gonna throw them in the pan just like that. Boop. And I'm gonna flip them all face down to start. So toss them in the pan, flip them face down just like this, and we're good. Okay, for asparagus, we're just gonna add that in. Olive oil, toss them, roll them around like this. We're gonna add prime rib rub. It's my favorite. Just like that, roll it around, add a little bit more, and this is ready to go on the grill. Our grill is hitting temp right now, so we're gonna go ahead and pull those strips and put on the asparagus. We're gonna be eating in no time. Here's our steaks. They just hit temp. You can flip them if you want to. I personally don't really care if they have sears on the opposite side. One of the secrets that I found out with the Traeger is never opening the lid. Just read the thermometer. Once that thermometer is close, you can come out and check it with a thermopen if you want. But we're gonna bump this temperature up to 400 degrees. And I'm gonna add the asparagus right on the grill, just like that. Okay? Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a Yeti. I'm gonna put some foil inside there. We're gonna put those steaks in, and we're gonna wrap those up in foil. So we're gonna put those strips in like that. We're gonna wrap them. You don't have to wrap them too good if they're in this Yeti. The secret, honestly, is learning to rest your meat, or I call it staging your meat. These Yetis are perfect. They do amazing things. So I'm gonna keep this right in here for the next 18 to 20 minutes until those are done. Brussels sprouts are going on the stovetop. We're gonna watch those and get them ready just in time to come out and pull these at the very end. Slice and serve, we're good to go. Here, watch this. You missed it, dang it. See that? Flipping that around, you can see we've got a good char on this side. We've got about 10 more minutes outside. With these Brussels that I'm pan frying, I'm not gonna put the seasoning on till the end just because I don't want it to burn on the pan. We did season the asparagus that are outside. We've got the steak staging right over there. They're about 10 minutes out, but this total cook time should be about 40 minutes. Easy to get that protein on first, come in, prep the others, have a good little social time, finish off, serve with everything done at the same perfect time. It's an easy system. Caleb's lens fogged up, so we missed a shot, but I just put it in balsamic, I'm gonna put that in right at the end just to reduce it down. And as it heats up, it's gonna be good. Turn the heat down a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of that primary rub. It's my favorite. See, putting it away, it's secret. And these Brussels, you can tell, just look at them, look at them. Look at them. They're awesome. So I'm gonna go pull the asparagus. It's been 18 minutes. That's gonna be ready. We're gonna slice and serve the protein. I'm telling you, this is gonna be awesome. You wait. Step 1, lift the grill. Step 2, turn off the grill. Boop. Step 3, don't burn your fingers. Boom, done. How awesome was that? Let's take it inside. Here. Man, that's sizzly, wasn't it? So sizzly. I can find it. You don't want to. Don't leave those little leaves in the pan. Those are the crispy parts. That's like the bottom of the Doritos bag. You gotta just get that part in. All right, here we go. There's that. Okay. So here's where the magic happens. You open the Yeti, you take this, set it right there. Holy hand grenades. I don't want to ruin everyone's steak, so I'm just going to ruin Caleb's. Is that ruined, Caleb, or not? I'll take it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. You can see there, that's as awesome as it gets. If you want a little bit of extra, here, I might as well just lay these out. Stack these strips up like cordwood. And if you really want to make it a more amazing, just give it a little bit of that au jus like that. What an awesome. Poor Shades has drool hanging to the floor. That's how freaking good this is. Super easy. Serve it how you want it, but this is it, my friends, and that's a wrap. Jump in, dudes. It sucks, I know, but